students, welcome to our online class organized by Radhika Online Coaching Center. Students, today we are going to discuss about our EPS subject, in which we are going to discuss about different demographic measures. Students, previously we have to discuss about our different classes like fertility measure, mortality measure, and today we are going to discuss about migration measure. Students, first of all we have to just introduce that what is migration. So migration is a process in which people have to leave the destination place and reach to people have to leave the origin place and reach to destination place. So migration always affect two place, that is origin place and destination place. Students, destination is the place where people have to live or reach there. So students, today we are going to discuss about that migration, measure of migration, measures of migration. So there are different measures to measure the migration rate. These are in migration rate. Another is out migration rate. Another one is net migration rate. Another one is gross migration rate. These are the four measures to measure the migration rate, in which there are it is denoted by IMR, it is denoted by OMR, it is denoted by NMR, and the gross migration is denoted by GMR. Students, suppose if we have a given data that in any place the in migrants people is equal to 2500, out migrants is equal to 3000. So, and the mid year population is 2,50,000. If suppose this data is given, and now from this data we have to find out in migration, out migration, net migration and gross migration. First of all, we have to going to discuss about our in migration rate, IMR. It means how many people have to migrate in destination place among per thousand. What is the number of population who have migrated in destination place per thousand? We are going to find out in per thousand, that is IMR is equal to I by P into 1000. So here is the from given data we are going to put the value I is equal to P is equal to 2,50,000, and the formula 1000 in constant, because we have to find out in per thousand. Now we are going to do mathematical process, and at last there is a 10 per thousand. So we can say that the in migration rate is 10 per thousand. It means in 1000 people, 10 people have to migrate. Another formula is out migration rate. Number 1, number 2, out migration rate. It is O by P into 1000, where O is equal to out migrants people, P is equal to mid-year population, where here we denote the P, and the 1000 into is equal to constant. Now we have going to put the value. O is equal to 3000, mid-year population is equal to 2,50,000, and the 1000 is the constant because we have to find out in 1000 people. Now we are going to calculate this. It is 12 per 1000 in my OMR is equal to 12 per 1000. It means 12 people per 1000. 12 people have to migrate. It means they have to go to leave the destination place and go to the origin place. And other there is net migration rate, NMR. Students, this is little bit different because net migration means the actual people who are migrants. So it is going to calculate by I minus O by P into 1000. So how many more people have to immigrate? So that's why we have to going to do the mathematical process, that is we have to subtract the in-migrants people from out-migrants people and divided by mid-year population and multiplied by 1000. That's why we are going to putting the value here. In-migration is 2500 minus out-migration is 3000 by 2,50,000 into 1000. Now we are going to, this one is removed, 500 minus 500 by 250 minus 500. Now we have to going to sum it. 2. It means minus 2 per 1000. It means 2 people per 1000 minus 2. It means 2 people are in migrants. It means that there is minus rate. In minus rate, the net migration rate is in minus. It may be in minus and plus, that is not matter. It means more people are outside and less people are inside in the specific country, or specific place. That's why there is per 1000 minus 2 people are in migrants. Another is G, this is 3 number, and another is 4 number, GMR, that is gross migration rate. Its formula, it is a sum of in migrants and out migrants. I plus O by P into 1000. Now we are going to putting the value. I is equal to 2500, 3000 by, this is plus, by 2,50,000 into 1000. Now 005,538 by 250. 850 by 25. Now 17 by 5 is equal to divided by in point 3.4 people have to migrate in. It means lots of people have to, this much people, 3.4 people among 1000 are engaged to migration process. So students, this is the different measure to calculate the migration rates. These are the different rates. Next class we will discuss about another topic. Thank you. Be safe. Bye.